Hey guys, and today I have just realised something. So if you've seen my last video and my movie star planet status, someone tried to get me in trouble. Well, that's what I thought. But movie star planet has a glitch when it's over 12 o'clock. Which you can see it's not. When it's over 12 o'clock, oh sorry, it is. The chat, you can't chat at all, and I'm not sure if anyone else is having this problem or not, but I'm gonna find out by going on to one of my friends' accounts. So, look, if I try to chat, there's no way. Go into messages and it says you can't chat at the moment, come chat again in 2 hours 30 minutes and 54 seconds. I'm not doing that. There's no possible way to chat. Sorry for that, but it's not like you can go to your room and chat to people or any of the chat rooms. It's just absolutely ridiculous after a certain amount of time that you can't chat. So I'm gonna go into, I said hack, I'm not a hacker. I'm gonna go onto one of my friend's accounts and see what is going on, see if she's having the same problems as mine. And before you're thinking that I'm a hacker, I'm really not. I'm really close to my friend, so I know her account details. Right, I need to one sec. So I'm just gonna find out if when I go on her account it's the same problems or if I've done something wrong. Because I don't really think I've done something wrong, but if you've watched my last video, I overreacted about what happened. Right, so I'm logging on now so I can find out if she is having the same problems as me. It's a lot easier than just assuming that I've done something wrong. While I'm on here, I might as well just have some fun. There we go. Who wants to be her friend? The fearless Nikki Bella wants to be a friend. Mamoaf 0330 wants to be her friend. She's got a load of weird mates, including me. That is me now. Yeah. So I want to see if she can chat as well. Oh, it must be that then, because she can't chat. I just need to check that everything's, yeah. So right now I'm gonna redress her, and when she comes on tomorrow, because she's got a YouTube channel as well, called Megan Doyle, like this one, but it's got 2 movie star planets and characters in the top of it, and it's pink in the background. So that's her channel. So I'm gonna see, she'll be on here tomorrow recording. So when she's wearing a wacky outfit, it will be a surprise for her, I guess. Right, so yeah, she don't even have the money to buy a wacky outfit. Well, then again, neither do I when I'm on mine. I'll just get something, like a new top or something. Spend all our money. I will buy it. She is the best. And I can't even spell the right. That's how well I'm doing in school. I think she's got some crazy clothes in her inventory, so I'm just gonna have a look. Some of you guys were messaging me the other day on Instagram saying, will you make your videos longer? And I was like, yeah, sure, and I really don't know how to do that, so if you think I'm dragging my words out, that is exactly what I'm doing. Why would she even have this? There we go, so when she tries to record tomorrow, she will come onto that. And something about VIP, she cannot afford that. There you go. So when she comes on, she will see that whole mess, and it'll just be a laugh, because I'll probably be on Skype with her in the morning. So it's pretty boring not being able to do anything at this time because of the chat thing. Just see what she's got here. She's absolutely ridiculous because I don't even know why Move Self-Planet should do this glitch, because it's not like it's affecting people chatting this late at night. If it was affecting people, then yeah, I'd understand, but it don't affect anyone. So I'm gonna go back onto my account and see how I can do something. I will change my outfit. Let's see best I can put on, because there is absolutely nothing else to do. I've actually dressed her ridiculous. Let's see what I can put on. If I dress me ridiculous, so then I actually will be ridiculous. What's the most ridiculous hair I have? Probably that one. There you go, there's my ridiculous outfit, and there you go, we're both ridiculous now. She will probably message me in the morning and have a full on go at me. So I am only going to be on for a few more minutes, and then I will see you guys in the next video. This is pretty weird. I'll just have this one. Oh yeah, be sure to go and add Baby Angel Feather. She's an actual amazing person, and yeah, I just wanted to give her sort of a shout out. She needs a funny animation as well. I don't think they have funny. You can lie down. No, I want it to be something that you can see the outfit. There we go. So we're both a bit crazy now. There we go. This is actually boring me now. So I just wanted to tell you all about that glitch, and hope that if any of you were in a struggle like I am, you can watch this video and find out that what has happened. Okay guys, see you later. Thank you for watching. Leave a comment and subscribe. Bye.